Before we start, grab a pen and notebook. I'm serious, because what I'm about to share can actually make you money as a college student in 2025. And unless you write it down, you'll forget it 5 minutes after this video ends. Let's talk about how to make money with AI, starting from zero, even if you've got no experience, no budget, and no time. If you've been scrolling TikTok looking for easy money ideas or watching success stories and wondering, how do I actually start? This is for you. Here's the truth. College is no longer just about getting a degree. It's about building digital skills while you still have time and freedom. And AI just made that 10x easier. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to know how to use what already exists in a smarter way. So here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Understand that attention is currency. What are college students paying attention to right now? Study hacks, time-saving tools, funny or relatable content, side hustles, budgeting. Look on Reddit, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Find the conversations that are already happening. Then take those topics, plug them into ChatGPT, and ask it to give you content ideas, tweet threads, video hooks, or even a basic script. Now you have something valuable, fast. You're not wasting hours trying to think of what to post or sell. Step 2. Pick your lane. You can go faceless and create content accounts on TikTok or Instagram Reels that share AI tips for students, budget hacks, study motivation, all generated with ChatGPT. You can offer services like AI-generated notes, essay outlines, or flashcards to your classmates for a small fee. You can build digital products like simple Notion templates, ebooks, or planners using ChatGPT and sell them on Gumroad. You can even do affiliate marketing for tools students actually use, like Canva Pro, Grammarly, or budgeting apps, and make money each time someone signs up. Step 3. Don't do this randomly. Build a system. Use ChatGPT to plan 1 week of content in 10 minutes. Use CapCut or Canva to make videos that take 30 minutes a day to edit. Use Bitly to track your links. Use Google Sheets or Notion to track what's working. And then repeat. Now listen closely, because here's where I see most people get stuck. They try random ideas, burn out, and quit. That's why I created a free ebook called ChatGPT Secrets for Steady Cash Flow. It's a no-fluff guide that walks you through the exact hacks I used to go from just experimenting with ChatGPT to actually building a consistent income stream, even as a student. It's packed with real prompts, monetization shortcuts, content strategies, and setup steps that most people don't talk about. And the link is in the description. If you're serious about using ChatGPT to earn in 2025, you'll want to download that and follow it like a playbook. Step 4. Consistency. You don't need to go viral. You just need to keep showing up with value. Post 1 video a day. Offer 1 small service per week. Share your affiliate link 3 times a week in student communities or Discord groups. This compounds. And over time, your $5 gig turns into $20, then $100. Your email list grows. Your videos start to hit 1,000 views. That's when it clicks, that you don't need a part-time job to survive college anymore. You can build something digital, scalable, and smart with tools that are 100% free. I started from zero. No fancy camera, no paid tools, just free AI, consistency, and creativity. You can do this too. If this helped you, hit the like button so more students can see this. Drop a comment saying 0 to AI if you want me to show you 3 actual businesses built using just ChatGPT and Canva. And subscribe if you want more no-hype strategies for making money online in 2025. This is the year to stop watching and start building. You've got the time, you've got the tools, and now you've got the plan.